Hello, Dream Cell Services here. Today we are going to be servicing the Kodak Alaris i2600 scanners. You can see we have quite a number of them today that we are going to be working on today. You can see them all around. So for this servicing, I assume you want to do it yourself. I'm going to use needing a workstation, but not for these repairs. I'm going to show you and liquid is syringe with lubrication inside, then a brush. You can see this soft brush that I'm going to be using, your rag which is necessary, and your toothbrush, your regular toothbrush, so as to get to some certain areas. I assume you want to do this yourself, so you have to get your lubrication oil. This is scanner grade lubrication oil, and then your special cleaning fluid. This is a special kind of fluid to clean out some kind of dust, and this can also work with your kodak i2600 scanners too. This is i2600 scanners, you can see it, and it's a Kodak brand. So basically that is what it is. We have quite a number of them. There is another scanner there too. This is another i2600. We're going to work on that later, and that will be all. So let's get into it. This is a Kodak i2600 scanner. I labeled it so as to know which of them I'm servicing at each point in time. So I'm going to clean the dust around the surface of it, and then let's get down to business. Now, to be able to clean out the rollers, this is the separation rollers. You can see those white rollers there, and then you can see these rollers, they're all dirty. You can see the black marks on them. That is the areas we're going to be working on. You can see the pickup rollers, we're going to clean it also. So to remove this pickup roller, you just remove this plastic covering the pickup roller with a flat screwdriver. I'm going to do that. You can see the plastic is out. The next thing is to gently remove the pickup roller, pull it toward the left hand side. You can see you pull it toward the left hand side this way, and then comes out easily. See, this is it, it is out. I'm going to clean it properly the way it ought to be cleaned. So I'm going to replace this with a new set of rollers, but I'm doing this for those who can't get access to a new rollers. You can clean it and it will still work for you for a couple of months before it goes bad again, and then you have to replace it completely. And in case you can't get access to the pickup rollers, you can just hit me up in the comment section, and then I'll give you a link on how to be able to get the pickup rollers. So I'm going to brush out any dust hanging around these areas before I begin to clean. Sometimes debris and dust and staple pins can hang around this area. So you can see over time it has built up dust that is stuck on it. I had to literally peel it out with my fingers. So in this area, instead of scratching or using a flat screwdriver to scratch it or peel it out, you just use a special fluid. That's a special fluid I can use to clean it, and then it will just clean the debris out easily. I'll show you how to do that in a couple of minutes now. In case you haven't done already, I'd like you to like and subscribe to the channel. We have a whole lot of videos on how to repair, service and maintain all kinds of Kodak scanner. This is the CIS, and I'll show you how to clean the CIS also in case your images is coming out with lines. This is a special fluid for cleaning the roller. So I'm going to drop some on the cover. I'll take it, and I'm going to clean the rollers, the pickup rollers and the separation rollers also. So I just apply it generously on the rollers, and then the debris and the dust on it will come off easily. So this for the CIS, if your images is coming out with lines, you have to clean it out also. Remember, when you're cleaning it, you have to use a special kind of cleaning fluid. You don't use anything that is corrosive or that can damage your glass. The CIS of this particular scanner is quite expensive, so you have to be very careful when attempting any repair or maintenance yourself. So in case you haven't done already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have a whole lot of great videos on how to repair and service a whole lot of scanners, kodak scanners. So I'm going to clean out the white rollers also. Remember to clean out, they have like dust stains on them, black stains on them. Clean it out generally. So I'm trying to clean out the separation rollers on the other side without removing it. You don't have to remove it if it's not that dirty, or if you're finding it hard to remove it, you can just clean it the way I am. Just follow the threading on it and clean it according to the threading on it. Remember not to go against the threading on it. So as you clean each surface, you spin it again so that you can get access to the other part of the roller. Once the top surface is clean, you spin it again so as to get access to the hidden part of the roller. So that is it basically. What you need is your cleaning fluid, and you clean generally, and make sure you're very careful while cleaning the CIS area so as not to damage it. Do not use any liquid or fluid that is corrosive. So that is it. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.